Achieving financial freedom, anong mga dreams mo na gusto mong makuha, gusto mong ma-achieve? Materially saka hindi materially.
I don't want to say I've gotten to a point in my life na okay na ako because ano naman ako tao, I'm very content with what I have. Kumbaga, hindi ako ambisyoso ako, of course, because sabi nila ako na ibigay sa'yo pagyamanin mo, di ba? But regarding dreams, I guess it never stops. As long as you live every day, you have a chance to be a better person and pursue something na hindi mo alam kaya mo pala i-pursue and you can be a better person by doing that. With all the opportunities na nakukuha ko, I guess pinagayaman ko na lang yun. You know, I give it my best. Being with ABS for the longest time and Sun Life for almost 10 years, it's not about me anymore. It's about what I can do. It's about what I can deliver to inspire people. I guess, you know, para lang maging maganda yung testimony mo. Kasi left to myself, I'm really happy already. Wala na akong mahihingin pa sa karera ko, but I guess I'm needed for something else. So that's what I'm working on now.
Ano yung latest na achievement or investment na nakuha mo because of being
I guess just having my son, you know, as a co-ambassador of Sun Life, that's more than enough to secure us financially. So, you know, and then they renewed him, so it's his first renewal. Ay, hindi pa naalala. Kaya ka nandito na renewal. So yun, I mean, you know, it gives you security na kahit mawala ka man, alam mong he's okay. So I guess that's a milestone.
Ano masasabi mo doon, Inigo? Na talagang binavalue ni Papa P yung...
Well, of course, it makes me feel good, you know, knowing that he's thinking about my future, not just his. And it makes me want to value it even more and make it important, not just store it away, not just use it just because he just gives it to me.
Okay, thank you.
Ang talino naman ito. Mahirap pag nasa ibang lugar tayo.
Okay, next question.
Pawisan ako eh.
Oh, Jude.
Good afternoon. What particular event in your life that made you realize or convinced you to invest through Sun Life?
That's a no-brainer. I mean, when they got me, I knew Sun Life. Being in the insurance industry, alam ko pa natin, insurance, hindi pa yung financial di ba? Hindi pa policy, 100 years. So that alone speaks for itself. When they got me, syempre, why not? It's Sun Life. And from there on, I've gotten so many policies from them. I even got my sister to join the company as a financial advisor. So, hindi ko siya pinag-isipan, kumbaga. And even at the time that they chose my son to be a co-ambassador, I realized that I didn't make the wrong decision by representing Sun Life. Because nagsimula naman kami, not as ambassador, they partnered up with me. What was that? Sa calendar, no? When we had our first meeting, they knew I was taking photographs. So nagkaroon kami ng exhibit. And all the proceeds went to my foundation. We auctioned off 12 photographs that I took. And then from there, because they knew I had a foundation. So from there, alam mo na maganda yung start ng relationship. And after a couple of months, that's when they got me to endorse them. So we got off at a good start.
Hi, congratulations. Mami Jo. My question is, being born abroad, you lived abroad, you came here, what are the common, siguro, impression?
Nag-English tayo.
Ano yung impression ng Filipino and their idea of investment? Kasi Filipino by nature are superstitious, diba? Yung takot sila, may takot sila parati, yung like for example, 2 weeks ago, merong biglang namula yung stock market, ang daming nag-tweet, ang daming na problema. Ano yung impression mo dun sa mga kaibigan mo na kasing edad mo about how they feel about investment as a Filipino?
You know,